Welcome to Reilly Jam 5, a wacky game jam that happens every month in the Construct engine. This month, allowing developers to make a game only using just free events. 9 developers have took on this challenge this month, so remember to vote for your favourites in the comment below. We have a first and second prize available, winning enough money on Amazon to maybe buy something. Number 1 is a physics-based platformer where you must flick a ball past a range of obstacles. There are crates to knock down and keys to collect, but the big twist comes in level 2, where you need to make sure your ball is the right colour to progress, adding another element to what is already quite a tricky game. I got to level 3, see if you can beat me on itch.io. Number 2 is Void Dance, an epic boss fight requiring you to dodge lots of projectiles heading your way, with the game getting more and more challenging by adding more projectiles, allowing the centre boss to actually move around the level, and a cube that stops you sort of camping around the edges. It plays much better with the original soundtrack, so head to itch and try and beat my time of 54 seconds. Number 3 takes the classic game of Brick Breaker and gives it a much needed facelift. In 3 events we have a custom intro, an automatic reset if you die, a scoreboard, and on top of that the game just looks incredible. There are 10 levels built in the game, so feel free to try it in the description below. Number 4 is a platform puzzle game set in the labs of Portal. You can use the mouse to drag the box around the screen, allowing you to progress to the next area. The events have been used to stop the classic fly your way to victory, and it's a really short fun game to not just try, but maybe try and speedrun as well. Number 5 is the winner for the best title, Storks Gone Crazy. Those pesky storks are no longer delivering babies, but now dropping them. Click to quickly deploy a parachute and save as many babies in the time limit as possible. My score is in the video, so if you want to prove your baby saving skills are better than mine, then give it a go. Number 6 is Panic, and it does that job well. Instructions come on the screen and you must hurry to follow those instructions on the control panel by selecting the correct option before the system malfunctions. Want to master this game? We need to start learning the location of all these buttons, especially if you want to take on the dreaded Nightmare mode. I played normal mode, I lost, try it for yourself. Number 7 is a nice relaxing game where a diver must collect pearls from the ocean, and nope, that fish has just ate me. Number 7 is a relaxing game for about 2 seconds. The more pearls you collect, the more fish are in the pool, and your chances of survival perish. My high score is 9. Are you up to the challenge to beat that? Of course you are, it's 9, it's a rubbish score. Moving on to number 8. Someone has actually made a game in 3D only using 3 events. Of course they have. While the game is simple, it shows off what can be done in 3D with just a small number of events, and that's impressive all by itself. If you want to peek behind the curtains of this magic, check out the file in the description. Number 9 is a game where you must defend cheese from a mouse, and the mouse has an F1 car. The most impressive part about this game is there's 3 different endings. Ending 1, do nothing, the cheese will be slowly eaten, and it's game over. Ending 2, click too early and the mouse is going to steal all the cheese and celebrate in your face. And finally, ending 3, well, you just have to beat the game for yourself on itch and find out yourself. Nine different games, all made with just 3 construct events. But who takes home the cheese? Pun intended. Vote in the comments below, and first and second place we picked in the week. Subscribe if you're not, and come join us for the next jam. Bye.